So now let's get into the design of your website. Design for me is how your website makes somebody feel, the lines and colors. If you have a sitemap, which is a list of the pages on your website, each page serves a function. And there's different ways you can share the information on a page to drive that point home. Do you need larger images? Do you need to use a carousel slider? Where do you need big, bold statements? And where do you need a sentence or two to get your information across? Come up with a design for each page. You can do 2 or 3 design ideas for each page if you want, and see which one feels best. Remember, less is more, so keep it simple, keep it consistent, and keep it cohesive across your website so your website visitors aren't guessing.